على النبي الكريم محمد وآله وصحبه أجمعين. So last time we mentioned group is of those passed away and she left behind her husband and 3 daughters. Now the husband in such a case is deserving and eligible for 1/4 of the property. So the denominator of his share is 4. So when he will take 1 out of 4, now, if the case is that the group deserving for rad and redistribution, they are 5 instead of 6. So now the husband from the denominator of his own share, denominator of his share is 4. So when he will take 1, the remaining shares will be 3. And the number of the other group who are deserving for distribution, that is 5. Now, the ratio between 5 and 3 is tabayun. So now the whole number of the hairs would be multiplied in the adjustment or in the denominator. So we will multiply 4 by 5. So 4 multiplied by 5, 20. Now it's 1/4, which is 5. So it will go to the husband. The remaining shares will be 15. And the number of daughters is 5. So everyone will take 3, 3, 3, 3, 3. Wasallallahu ta'ala ala khair khalqi. This is good.